This window needs to be cleaned. Or is it the dusk fog obscuring what I wanted to see? Its glass is as if frosted now, a wall of grayness whose embrace by those adjoining seems a smirk-filled frown, floor to ceiling. How many times I faced it, filled with culinary love, his favorite dishes, whets to the appetite he loved to flex. Those two others standing, rather leaning, far above the same waters I stared down into from the opposite side of the bridge that held us all. They now seem like an afterthought, wraiths clinging hard so as not to edge farther into a path like my slow glide into this enclosure, where my hands yesterday were swift as deft pigeons, flying with sure instinct to create what caused the least ripple in the slow tide of us. Flow, dark flit of river under gray mist, and why the pair clung to the other side of the bridge as I on this, neither braving cool sleet to trudge to the middle where wind whipped up waves, unlike the wedged cave I stand too near the corner of. The walls of this near triangle seem to hold me without purpose. Why turn to look upon the other rooms, their bare resonance, numbing as the cold on the bridge's slick body, the slack freeze on his face as he said, I was not needed. If this glass could clear, I could discern the pair. Whether their ache has made them go to the center, remain by the side, return to their safe cul-de-sac, or disappear.